Hi everyone, this is your Rohit, your English language trainer and motivational speaker. Today I have Mr. Adroit Yadav. He's my student and now he's studying in Adroit Academy and he's learning English in Adroit Academy. Now today I'll just ask Mr. Adroit Yadav because right now he's able to speak English very fluently and he's a very good speaker of Adroit Academy. So today just I will ask few questions to Mr. Adroit Yadav. Now he will reply to my questions because he's a very fantastic speaker in Adroit Academy. So now Mr. Adroit Yadav, at first most welcome in my channel and as well as in Adroit Academy. Most welcome Mr. Adroit Yadav.
Thank you, sir, for calling me in this academy. So, as you know, my dear friends, it's me Abhay Kumar Yadav and I belong to Bhadohi. Today, I'm feeling very happy to be here in front of you all. That's all about.
Okay, so now Mr. Adroit Yadav, just today I will ask few questions to you because you know you are a very good speaker in Adroit Academy and everybody knows you in the Bhadohi also. So Mr. Adroit Yadav, first of all just tell me that at first I want to know about yourself. What is your name and from where do you belong? Everything just share with us.
Yes, I belong to Piprish Mahadeva Bhadohi. My name is Abhay Kumar Yadav and my father name is Mr. Rakesh Yadav and my mother name is Mrs. Nirmala Devi. And I have no brother, I have two sisters, and I study in a class 10th. And as well as I'm learning spoken English in Adroit Academy.
Okay, so now Mr. Adroit Yadav, just tell me that at first, how are you feeling to be here with us?
I'm feeling a very happy, sir. As I said in starting, I'm feeling a very happy to be here.
Okay, so now Mr. Adroit Yadav, just tell me that at first, what do you want to be in your life actually?
I want to be a good speaker, and as like a Sonu Sharma and Sandeep Maheshwari like.
Okay, so you want to be as like a Sonu Sharma and Sandeep Maheshwari. That's good. Very fantastic. Your goal is. So now, Mr. Adroit Yadav, just I want to know that why do you want to be as like Sonu Sharma? Why do you want to be as like Sandeep Maheshwari? Why do you not want to be better than them? Can you tell me about this?
No. I say I will become better than them, yes. But actually I will become just a mixture of both peoples.
Okay, so just you want to be all-rounder.
Yes,
as like Hardik Pandya. Am I right?
Yeah.
Okay, you don't want to be only batter or only bowler. Yeah. You want to be all-rounder. That's good, Mr. Adroit Yadav. Just I would like to know about Mr. Adroit Yadav. Just tell me that who suggested you to come here in Adroit Academy to learn English here? Can you tell me about this?
Yes, my friend also study in this academy, and so he said to me, if you want to learn English, because one day I said to him, actually I want to learn English, so can you tell me any good one academy? So he told me about Adroit Academy. There is one academy in Fluently Girls PG College in front of, so and on the station road. So that's why I came here.
Okay, so now Mr. Adroit Yadav, right now tell me that are you satisfied with the Adroit Academy or not? Are you happy in Adroit Academy or not? Tell me that.
Yes, I'm very happy to in Adroit Academy because it is not like any institute. It is like just means there is everyone we have like families and means there is a good environment of English and. If anybody wants to learn English there, so they can learn English. It's a guarantee.
Yes. So what do you think that right now you have spent here 3 months and now within 3 months actually you are speaking very good English. So what do you think that did you improve yourself much more? So what is the reason behind it? How did you improve yourself? Can you tell me about this?
So first of all, it is because of you, sir, and also I, as you said, always do a practice and do just means practice and just there also on Sunday 1 PSC. So it is a biggest reason of in this academy because there means I got an opportunity to speak in this academy. So that's why I have become able to speak English.
So you are able to speak English here. That's why, because actually you joined the PSC, you joined the public seminars, yes? So that's why just you are able to speak English. So now tell me that, Mr. Adroit Yadav, what do you like most in Adroit Academy? Because I want to know, because I am a trainer of this academy and everybody everybody wants to listen their appreciation and compliments. Tell me.
So first of all, one thing is that it is a. I said it is not like just any means you can. There are sir behavior is a very good, and he always behave like a very means like he's a personal student like so it is a very good things. And other thing is that there is a environment of English means some in somewhere if you go, so there is a means everyone came and just talk in means Hindi or an other language, but they are only allowed to speak English. So it is a very big thing for, and you also teach in English, and so that this is a big reason of this Adroit Academy.
Okay. So now, Mr. Abhay Yadav, just I would like to ask that, Mr. Just tell me that what is the main importance of the English? Means what is this importance of English? Can you tell me? Can you tell me about this?
Yeah. So, my dear friends, as you know, English is a very important right now nowadays, because there is a English is a that language which is spoken by every means country.
Yes.
So, if you know English, so you can just adjust in any means anywhere. And English is also a fear of everyone. They fear to English. So it is but English is not like this.
Yes.
English is a very easy. When you start to learning it, when you start to speaking, so you have just feel confident in English. So it is a very big thing. So
Okay. So now, Mr. Abhay Yadav, because just you are speaking English very well, and so just I would like to ask question, Mr. Abhay Yadav, how can we improve our English? Do you want to tell to our viewers and as well as students? Yes.
So, my dear friends, there is English is as you know, a very important. So, everybody wants to just speak a fluent English. So, there is a means. So, you should start from the just survival English. Means survival English means just as you said, sir. First, you start to from a survival English. So, I did that thing. I did. So, means I start to first means is learn survival English like means. If somebody is asking to in their question in conversation, so I become means able for giving a reply. So and if I have to ask any question, so I also ask in English. So it is the first thing is that learn of survival English, and don't think about means don't think about learn other accent. Your English, your Indian accent is a very good, as we are talking about each and other. So it is a very good accent. But everyone try to learn actually other accent like means first they not focus on their Indian accent.
Yeah.
They try to focus on as like American accent, French accent, like this accent they want to learn. First, when you will become able to learn to speak in a Indian accent, so then you can try. But before you try it in a Indian accent, speak. And everyone said that means just if they speak a fast, so it will be a fluent English, but not at all.
Yes.
Because if you will speak a fluent, so first thing is that when you try to speak English, so our mind just means first he search a word and sentences, so he cannot just means certify with your mind. So it is the biggest reason when you start to speak slowly, so it will be a good and there is a many benefits of speaking slowly, as like improve your confidence and clear voice and many things is that so it is a good way to learn English, and after learning survival English you can learn with the grammar.
So now means you want to say that actually survival English. I think if we want to learn English, so we should start from the survival English, because this is a very important. Survival English means that we have to learn, from basic. We have to learn the meanings, vocabulary, these all things. Yes, yes. So now, Mr. Abhay Yadav, just can you tell me what is the confidence level of the English? Means if we want to learn English, so how just actually because this is a very big issue. Everyone has, very well that if we want to speak English, we know everything, but we are not able to speak in front of the public. Because of that our confidence is not like that. So how just we can improve our confidence level, and how can just we can increase our confidence level? So what is the source of this, and how just we can make our confidence better? Can you share about this?
Yeah, of course. Actually, So there's a matter of confidence level.
Yes.
So sir, actually, when we learn English, so from the any academy or means from these any academies, we source of the academies we learn English.
Yes.
So when we start to learn English in the academy, so there is a many just many activities have means do. So this is a very big thing. So we should participate in activities in, and when we just ready for the when we have a confidence that to speak English, and as if you know English, so you have no fear that I will speak a true or a wrong. It is this fear is not you have at that time. So if you will speak English so in confidently, so we should speak, we should just do a practice and just participate in every activities there is also seminars. So it is a very big things, and always I also speak there in these seminars, in every seminars, and from this I got many benefits whatever I have fear, so that will just improve. And whatever I when I start to firstly when I came here in this academy, so when I started to join the seminars, so then I have a much more fear, I have a no confidence in English, but it is it's happened by the seminars and by the means struggle. When you start to speak in any seminars or any in this with someone, so there are whatever you have just a fear of English speaking, it will improve. So you have a never be of any fears, and you when you start to speak slowly English, so you will have just improve your confidence and expressing English so it is a very big thing to join a means do a conversation with a right or wrong, but do a conversation with someone, it will improve your English. And there is now the time many apps right now you can also talk on these apps as like a Joe's skills and many apps now the time, so you can just talk on that apps, so you can improve your English.
Okay. Thank you so much, Mr. Abhay Yadav, for coming here, for talking to us, because I am very happy because you are my student and you spent here only 3 months. You can say that you can see that guys, only Abhay Yadav spent only 3 months, and within 3 months now he is able to very good English. And now may God bless you, Mr. Abhay Yadav. You be best speaker in whole Badoi, not only Adroit Academy. Okay, may God bless you. Thank you so much for coming here. Thank you so much, guys. Bye bye and take care.